192.4 minus 9.09074,674 n plus 0.3547 p and plus 1.2879 r. This is your estimated regression equation. Now you are required to determine the level of significance at 5% using two-sided determine the significance of variable, let's say n, at 5%. Okay, determine the significance of variable n 5%. So the significance of variable n. So the answer here, in principle, either variable n significant or not significant. So in this case, it is, we need to conduct two-sided t-test. Okay, because the outcome can be significant, can be not significant. So there is two-sided t-test, although it is not mentioned as two-sided. So state the hypothesis that to be tested, write completely. If you don't write completely, although okay, the rest of your answer okay, are correct, I'll give you 0. It's a must for you to write okay, the complete steps of conducting hypothesis testing. So null hypothesis, HO beta, we test on variable n. Okay, so beta subscript n, beta subscript n, and not equal to 0. So done for the first step. Okay, then second, determine the level of significance. Okay, and it is stated 5%. Okay. Okay, after that, compute t statistic beta hat with subscript n minus beta n, the true coefficient, standard error of estimated beta with subscript n. So the value of the true coefficient is based on the true beta n that is hypothesized under null hypothesis. Okay, the true beta n, the value of the true beta n that is hypothesized under null hypothesis, meaning that the value here is 0. This is the standard error. And this is beta hat n. So we substitute the value negative. Don't forget, because we have negative here. 9074.674 k minus this is 0. Okay, we refer to the null hypothesis for beta and the true value here. So divided by its standard error 2052.674. So this is negative 4.4209. Then here is 5% divided by 2. Your n is 33, number of observation. Okay, the number of independent variables, you have 3 independent variables: variable n, variable t, variable I. So k is 3. Therefore, degree of freedom n minus k minus 1, 33 minus 3 minus 1 is 29. So this is 29. So 0.05, which is 5%, divided by 2. Then, comma, the degree of freedom 29. Here, remember that these are subscript. Okay, then you refer to the statistical table at the book, at the back of the book. Okay, page 537. Page 537. Okay, the first column is the degrees of freedom. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up to 30, then jump to 40, jump to 60, jump to 120, and then lastly it comes to normal distribution. So the next column is one-sided and two-sided. Okay, there are two rows, okay, under the degree of freedom here, one-sided and two-sided. And for the second column, okay, for the column of level of significance, we have 10% for one-sided, 2%, 20% for two-sided. So because of we are conducting two-sided t-test, okay, we refer to two-sided with 5%. So it is, you go down for the respective degrees of freedom, which is 29, it is 2.045. 2.045. So done. Any question on compute T statistic? Okay, where? Okay, now T statistic is negative. Under decision rule, you must produce all the info here. And your critical P is 2.045. When you take the absolute value, the negative sign turns to be positive. 4.4209 and 2.045, it is greater than. So when it is greater than, reject null hypothesis, because the absolute value of T statistic now positive 4.4209 is greater than its critical value 2.045. Okay, next t-test is statistically significant at 5% level of significance, and we will say that variable, no such thing as variable x, but variable n. Okay, variable n has an influence on the dependent variable coincident. Our dependent variable in this case is 1.